Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X80 Lite and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So in this tutorial, I'd like to show you two different ways of blocking the number. The first one will show you how to block a number you've got currently saved on your contact list, and after that I'll show you a second way, which is, I would say, more manual. So let's start with your contact list. Let's open it, for example, with the usage of the dialer. Now let's find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. Let me choose this one, and then tap on the, or actually you do not have to tap on anything. Scroll down a little bit to find those contact settings. Here we've got block numbers, sorry. So let's simply tap on it. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. So let's simply tap on block, and for some reason I am unable to block the number, but no worries, I'm pretty sure that you will be able to do it. After that, your device will show you probably this characteristic icon, which will show you that the number is blocked. Of course, you will be able to unblock it the same way right here. However, I'm not able to do that, of course. So this is the first way, and the second way, as I said, is more manual. And here it does not really matter whether you will be on the contacts, recents or the favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Right here in this general section, we've got blocked numbers, so let's tap on it. And here we've got our blacklist, which is currently empty. So let's tap on add a number, and as you can see, it is much more manual, because here you can manually enter the number you want to block. Tap on block, and as you can see, it will immediately appear on the blacklist. What is more, you've got this option unknown at the top. You can turn it on and off just by using the switcher, and basically thanks to it, your device will block the calls from all unidentified callers. If you want to unblock the number which is currently on your blacklist, simply tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.